Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is escape sequence. This is a series of videos on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. Escape sequence is the subtopic of printing output, which is the 8th topic in Python basics. Here in this print statement, there are some illegal characters within the string. So this print statement will throw an error. To insert characters that are illegal within the string in the print statement, we can use escape characters. A backslash is an escape character. A backslash followed by the character to insert makes it an escape sequence. These are the list of escape sequence. List of escape sequence continued. Let's see a demo on few of the escape sequence. Let me write a print statement. This print statement will throw error because it has a single quote within the string enclosed in a single quotes. So we need to use an escape character here. Let me rewrite the same statement with an escape character backslash just before the inner single quote. You can use up arrow key to get the previous command. Again, this statement will throw error because it has double quotes within the string enclosed in double quotes. Let me rewrite the statement by adding escape characters just before the inner double quotes. I want to print a directory path as a string. This line will throw error because it has illegal character backslash. Though backslash is an escape character, backslash itself is an illegal character, so we have to use double backslash. Let me rewrite the statement with additional backslash here. I want to write a print statement which prints text in multi-line. I will have to embed backslash n within the string. Backslash n is a new line character. I want to add a tab in the print statement. Tab is a set of spaces. So I used backslash t here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.